All right, in this video, we are going to create a form that has a button that opens another form. So in this case, I'm going to create a supplier form that opens a products form that shows what products that supplier supplies. I already created the products form just so that would be done. So here's my products form, but it doesn't really matter too much what that looks like. But the form you're going to open with the button must be created first. Now I'll go to suppliers, create, form. I'm going to switch to design view. And I'm going to put my button down here in place of this table control. So I'm going to click on that and click the delete button to get rid of the tables control. Then go to design view. And this rectangle thing here with the 4X's is the button control. So I will single click there, and then I will single click here on my form, and it will start a button wizard. And since my goal is to open the products form, I'm going to select a form operation and open form. Then click next. And then here I will select products is the form that I want to open. So the reason the products form had to be created first was it would not be available in this wizard here to select if it didn't exist already. Next. Here, when I open the products form, do I want to see all products in the database? Then I would click on this option. If I want to see the forms related to that supplier, I'll click this option. So this is a little bit better option. I'll click next. And now it'll say, well, how does the computer know what products go with that supplier? It knows because the products table has this supplier ID foreign key that matches with the supplier in the supplier table. Note it might have figured that out automatically from relationships, but this window is saying it can do some matching even beyond what relationships do, so that's why it wasn't automatic. Next, now this is what the button will look like. Well, if the button looks like a picture, the user won't know why it's there or why to click it. So that's called not user-friendly. User-friendly would be to write some text on top of the button so the person using the form will know why they want to use it. And even the word open form, the default here is kind of generic. So we'll say view or edit supplier products. So now we're saying something specific so the person looking at that button would know why they might want to use it. Next. And so this is the internal computer name of the button. If you're not writing computer programs, it really doesn't matter. So we'll just skip that, go to finish, and there's our button, view or edit supplier products. To see if the button works, we switch our view over to form view. And now you can see we're looking at supplier 1, exotic liquids, and down the bottom of that is that button we just created. And in this form view, the button works. So I'll click on that, and you'll see it opens the product table and lists the first product by that supplier. You'll see down here in the bottom it says 1 of 3. That means that supplier has 3 products, and I could click through them here. There's product 2 and product 3, all by that supplier. So that is a form open button. Thanks.